Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add music on Messenger Notes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it, frankly, you cannot directly add music files or audio directly to your Messenger Notes. So if you simply tap on drop a thought, you can only find an option to share a thought about it. You cannot actually attach any of the files or stuffs that you want to share. However, if you want to add a music on Messenger Notes, you can simply type the music of that particular thing you want to post. Like if you want to post a story about a song, or if you want to add a note, then you can write the title of that particular music that you want to post. Otherwise, you can only share audio or music file within a messenger chat, and the recipient can then play it separately. So this was all about how you can add music on Messenger Note. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.